Round 2.
Hi, man, I'll do.
We're back!
My name is Josh. You gave me a large chocolate frosty. Why would I lie? Give me a small fry. When we are under attack, toss me a double stack. I'm an IB, kind of thirsty. Give me a high C. Oh yeah, for later. Give me a baconator. Thank you for your time. This is the end of my rhyme. Hope you're not gay.
Danny Bubber's got the rap done in a very, very bad manner, but he got it done. Don't go yet. Oos. Okay. That's it.
Huh?
Tonight was an epic fail. We went through here twice, only got it done once. Then he was like, I didn't play it. Right here. There we go. Now we're getting some real food because we ain't messing. See you later, alligator.
Let me see us a little bit.
And I want to hug it down. We'll be back in a minute.
Order so that when I say it, they don't know it's my voice. Okay?